Kendo Jagoro mongirore migao mar Pur kod Paul Rono okwedo weche mosebedo ka fuong'ore ni piny owacho ma Thurka noyudo mbolea kowuok e piny Russia kendo bang'e uso ne jopur ma pacho ka. Rono wacho ni piny Russia nogolo mana gik miloso godo mbolea kende. Oluwo ni Kenya noyudo gunde maromo 600,000 mag gik loso mbolea kendo chiwo ragno ne kambi moro ma pacho ka.
So, for anybody to say we got free fertilizers donated and we sold, as a Ministry of Agriculture, we want to say that is the fact. We didn't get fertilizer first of all. It was a component for making fertilizer. That is a fact. And if we are again to be given the same border or substances for making fertilizer, we will still repeat the same. We'll tender, we look for a manufacturer to use the same component to manufacture fertilizers. So if we made mistake, we are ready to go to jail. Give us the jail number. Don't take us through the process of saying we need to go to court. We are as guilty as charged if you think that is a mistake we made. If we get another one, we'll